Welcome back to Car Vibes. Today we're reviewing a true beast reborn with modern muscle and vintage soul, the Ford Mustang Fastback 489. This car is not just about performance. It's a bold design statement with deep roots in American automotive history and an identity that screams power, pride, and precision engineering. Starting with the exterior, the Ford Mustang Fastback 489 commands attention from every angle. Its galaxy white finish accentuates the sculpted body lines and aggressive stance, while the long hood and short rear deck retain that classic Mustang silhouette. The front grille is bold and wide with the iconic pony badge taking center stage, flanked by sharp LED headlights that cut through the dark with authority. The air intakes are functional and aggressive, and every curve of the body is designed not just for style, but to enhance aerodynamics. The side profile highlights the muscular fenders, low roofline, and flush door handles, all of which give the car a sleek and fast look even when it's at a standstill. Around the back, the tri-bar LED taillights make a strong visual impact, and the quad exhaust tips emphasize that this car is built for serious performance. The Fastback rear window flows smoothly into the rear, staying true to the heritage while offering a more modern edge. Step inside, and the Mustang Fastback 489 continues to impress. The interior is a driver's playground, combining retro-inspired design elements with advanced technology. You're greeted by a cockpit-style layout, with a digital instrument cluster that can be customized based on driving mode. The flat-bottomed leather-wrapped steering wheel feels premium in your hands and comes with integrated controls for everything from cruise to voice commands. The center console houses a large touchscreen running Ford's latest SYNC system, complete with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio setup for crystal-clear sound. The bucket seats are firm yet comfortable, wrapped in high-quality leather with contrast stitching, offering great support during high-speed maneuvers or long road trips. Aluminum accents, soft-touch materials, and ambient lighting elevate the entire cabin experience. The rear seats are tight, as expected in a fastback coupe, but they're ideal for short trips or added cargo flexibility. Under the hood, the Ford Mustang Fastback 489 lives up to the muscle legacy with a monstrous 7.0-liter V8 engine, producing a thunderous 650 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque. The sound is raw and powerful, with a deep growl that builds into a roaring crescendo as you hit higher RPMs. Paired with a 6-speed manual or optional 10-speed automatic, this machine delivers thrilling acceleration and a 0 to 60 time that clocks in around 3.5 seconds. The chassis is stiff and tuned for performance, featuring magnetic ride suspension that adapts to road conditions in real time. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or launching on a straight track, the Fastback 489 offers precise steering, excellent grip, and raw power that's hard to match. As for safety and tech, Ford hasn't skipped out. You get a full suite of driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision braking. All of this tech is integrated seamlessly, so it never takes away from the raw, analog thrill of driving a Mustang. When it comes to pricing, the Ford Mustang Fastback 489 is a premium performance model. Starting prices hover around $85,000. And with performance packages and custom options, it can go over 6 figures. But for enthusiasts who want heritage, horsepower, and head-turning looks all in one package, this car is worth every penny. That's our full look at the Ford Mustang Fastback 489, a car built for those who crave real power and timeless design. Make sure to subscribe to Car Vibes for more in-depth car reviews. And until next time, keep the engine roaring.